Thinking of buying your first camera in 2026? Don't spend hundreds on the wrong one. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best budget cameras for beginners. Real specs, real reasons, and cameras you can actually buy today. Whether you're starting photography, vlogging, traveling, or creating content for social media, we've got the perfect picks for you. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll know exactly which camera to grab. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is the Olympus ZV-E10 IV, a compact and versatile mirrorless camera that's perfect for beginners who want both simplicity and strong performance. It features a 20.3 megapixel micro four thirds sensor that delivers crisp and vibrant images, even in challenging lighting. One of its standout features is 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake in handheld shots, making it easier for new photographers to get sharp results without needing a tripod. The camera also offers 4K video recording at 30p, making it suitable for casual videography or travel vlogs. Its fully articulating touchscreen allows you to easily navigate menus, change settings, and preview shots from creative angles. Olympus's classic dial controls give beginners a tactile way to experiment with shutter speed, aperture, and exposure compensation without feeling overwhelmed. Another advantage is the lightweight and compact design, which makes it ideal for on-the-go shooting, whether you're traveling, attending events, or simply learning the basics. Overall, the OMD IE-M10 IV combines user-friendly features with professional-grade technology, giving beginners the freedom to grow their skills without outgrowing the camera too quickly. At number 4, the Canon EOS R100 provides a balanced experience for beginners who want reliable performance without complex settings. It packs a 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor and Canon's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system, known for fast and accurate focusing on both stills and video. Paired with the RFS 18 to 45mm kit lens, the camera offers versatility for wide landscapes, portraits, and everyday photography, making it a solid all-rounder for new photographers. One of the strengths of the EOS R100 is its lightweight body and intuitive touchscreen interface, which allows beginners to quickly access modes, review images, and make adjustments. Features like face detection and eye autofocus make capturing portraits simple, even for users who haven't mastered advanced focusing techniques. Its fast startup and responsive shutter also help beginners capture spontaneous moments without missing the shot. For video, it supports 4K recording without crop, giving content creators plenty of flexibility. Canon also includes helpful guided menus, explaining settings in plain language so beginners can learn while shooting. The camera's built-in image stabilization helps reduce blur in handheld shots, and its vari-angle LCD screen makes shooting from creative angles easy. With its compact size and durable build, the EOS R100 is perfect for travel, street photography, or casual vlogging. With its blend of performance, usability, and affordability, the EOS R100 is an excellent choice for anyone starting their photography or vlogging journey in 2026. Coming in at number 3, the Canon EOS R50 is a modern mirrorless camera that excels for hybrid shooters who want both excellent photo quality and strong video performance. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor paired with dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which provides incredibly fast and precise autofocus. Its real-time eye and face detection ensures that subjects stay sharp in both photos and videos, a major benefit for beginners who might struggle with manual focus. The R50 supports uncropped 4K video at 30p, making it a solid choice for YouTube creators or anyone interested in shooting high-quality video. Beginners will also appreciate the guided interface, which clearly explains how aperture, shutter speed, and ISO affect the final image. The body is compact and lightweight, ideal for travel or daily shooting, and it works well with Canon's growing ecosystem of lenses, allowing photographers to expand their kit over time. What sets the R50 apart is its balance between simplicity and performance. It's beginner-friendly, but it doesn't compromise on quality, so users won't quickly feel limited as they grow their skills. Number 2 on our list is the Sony ZV-E10 II, a top choice for vloggers and content creators who want a single camera for both photos and videos. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor with Sony's advanced autofocus system, including real-time eye and face detection, keeping subjects sharp even during fast-moving or dynamic scenes. This makes it ideal for vlogging, street photography, or capturing pets and family moments without missing a shot. On the video side, the ZV-E10 II supports 4K, recording up to 30p, slow motion options, and improved color processing, giving creators cinematic quality footage straight from the camera. Its fully articulating flip-out screen makes framing and monitoring simple, perfect for self-recording, tutorials, and vlogs. It also supports external microphones, so beginners can achieve professional quality audio without extra equipment. For photography, it offers creative modes like background defocus, product showcase, and electronic image stabilization, helping beginners capture polished images effortlessly. The camera is lightweight and portable, ideal for travel, street photography, or daily use. With full compatibility with Sony's E-mount lens system, beginners can start with the kit lens and gradually expand with telephoto, wide-angle, or specialty lenses. Overall, the Sony ZV-E10 II is a versatile, beginner-friendly hybrid camera that balances ease of use, performance, and growth potential, making it the perfect number 2 pick for anyone starting their photography or content creation journey in 2026. And our top pick, the Sony Alpha 6400, is widely regarded as the best beginner-friendly budget camera for 2026, and for good reason. It features a 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor combined with Sony's world-class autofocus system, including real-time eye autofocus for humans and animals, ensuring every shot is tack sharp, whether you're capturing a portrait, a pet, or a spontaneous street scene. This sensor also delivers an impressive dynamic range, capturing both bright highlights and deep shadows while minimizing low-light noise, which is perfect for beginners who don't want to worry about perfect lighting all the time. On the video side, the Alpha 6400 is equally impressive. It offers uncropped 4K recording at 30p, slow-motion video options, and excellent color reproduction straight out of the camera, making it ideal for vlogging, YouTube content, or travel videos. Its compact yet durable body makes it easy to carry anywhere, from city streets to hiking trails, without compromising on build quality. Another major advantage is Sony's E-mount lens ecosystem, which includes a wide range of lenses from wide-angle to telephoto. This flexibility allows beginners to start with a simple kit lens and gradually expand their setup as their skills and creative ambitions grow. The Alpha 6400 also comes loaded with features like a tilt screen for easy framing, interval shooting for time lapses, and customizable controls that let you personalize the camera for your workflow. Despite being beginner-friendly, it offers professional-level functionality, meaning this camera won't become obsolete as you improve. With its blend of performance, versatility, and ease of use, the Sony Alpha 6400 isn't just a first camera. It's a camera you can truly grow into, making it the ultimate choice for anyone starting their photography or content creation journey in 2026. There you have it. The top 5 best budget cameras for beginners in 2026. From the lightweight Olympus OMD-EM10 Mark IV to the hybrid-friendly Sony ZV-E10 III, and our top pick, the Sony Alpha 6400, each camera offers great performance and user-friendly features. Whether you're into photography, vlogging, travel, or social media content, one of these cameras will suit your needs perfectly. Remember, the best camera is the one you'll actually use, so choose based on your style and start shooting today. Comment below which camera you'd pick, and follow for more camera reviews and guides.